Leighton Meester just revealed the sweetest reason she loves working with husband Adam Brody. Nobody Wants This Season 2 is dropping on Netflix on October 23rd, and the cast showed up for a star-studded red carpet premiere, including guest star Leighton Meester. IRL, the Gossip Girl actress is married to the hot rabbit himself, Adam Brody, and when she was asked why she loves working with her life partner, Leighton's answer literally melted my heart. On the red carpet for Nobody Wants This Season 2, Leighton Meester revealed why it's just so nice to go to work with Adam Brody. It's kind of like just getting, for the most part, to hang out with the person that you really like, she tells Variety. And then also to be creative with each other. It's just lovely. And when she confirms they're just happy, she continues that, there ain't nothing wrong with it. It's good. Leighton is one of my favorite people I've ever talked to, and I love seeing her shine on screen. If that's not cute enough, Adam Brody revealed on Penn Badgley's Pod Crushed podcast that he was smitten instantly with Leighton when he met her and the rest of the Gossip Girl cast at an LA deli. I couldn't get a total read because, even though she professes to have been interested in me and all those things, not only did she not pursue that, I mean, she was perfectly willing to let that never happen, Brody added. Yeah, she was perfectly willing to let that message in the bottle return to sea at several points. Leighton might have been elusive and aloof after their first meeting, but this really just reinforces the idea that everything works out the way it's supposed to, and that you can't accidentally scare the right person away.